In this video, I will show you how to streamline your workflow by using Claude to create and import subtasks directly into Monday.com. Managing complex projects can be overwhelming when you have to manually type out every single step. Fortunately, you can use artificial intelligence to handle the heavy lifting for you. To get started, open Claude and ask the AI to break down your main task into a clean checklist. For example, you can enter a prompt like break down the task launch Q3 email campaign into 6 logical subtasks and provide them as a simple list with no introduction or extra text. Keeping the output clean is essential because it makes the next step much easier. Once Claude generates your list, highlight all the subtasks and copy them to your clipboard. Next, navigate over to your Monday.com board and locate the main item you are working on. Click on the subitems icon to open the subtask section and then click on the field that says Add Subitem. Instead of typing them one by one, simply press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac to paste your entire list at once. Monday.com is smart enough to recognize the line breaks and will automatically split each line into its own separate subtask for you. This simple trick saves you a significant amount of manual data entry and ensures your project plan is detailed and organized in just a few seconds. Using Claude as a brainstorming partner combined with the pasting features of Monday.com will make you much more efficient. Thanks for watching this tutorial.